Hey, so if you want to use master slides in Google Slides in 2026 to create consistent professional presentations, this guide will walk you through step by step so your slides stay uniform and polished. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. Log in using your Google account email and password. Once inside, open a new or existing presentation, and you'll see all your slides in the editor view. Start by going to View, Master. This opens the Master Slide Editor, where you can customize layouts and apply changes across your entire presentation. The Master Slide is the top slide in the left panel, and below it are layout slides that inherit its formatting. Next, customize the Master Slide by adding your company logo, headers, footers, or background colors. Changes made here automatically reflect on all slides using that layout, saving time and ensuring consistency. You can also edit individual layouts under the master. For example, adjust title slides, content slides, or image slides separately. This is useful if you want certain slides to look unique while maintaining an overall uniform style. Use consistent fonts, colors, and bullet styles on the master to avoid manually formatting each slide. This makes your presentation look professional and keeps everything cohesive. After finishing edits, click the X or Close Master button to return to normal view. All slides using the master layouts now reflect your updates automatically. Finally, apply master layouts when adding new slides. Go to Slide, Apply Layout, and choose the appropriate layout for your content. This ensures your slides remain consistent and visually appealing. And that's basically it. By customizing master slides, editing layouts, and applying them consistently, you can create professional, polished Google Slides presentations quickly. If this helped, hit the like button, share it with colleagues, and subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care.